Last time I was out here, while cruising towards the flats, I kept spotting schools of fry leaping in panic, but no one ever seemed tempted to cast into the frenzy. Those predators remain shadows lurking in my fishing dreams. The feeding frenzy broke up quite close to the sandbanks, near the ocean's drop-off. That's when the idea started to take shape. I should give it a shot myself. Along the fragile threshold where shallow waters meet the deep sea, countless life forms gather in search of nourishment. On the long, narrow strip of sand, water up to my hips, waves slapping, and possibly nearby sharks pondering their lunch options, it's time to kick off this journey. Just beyond the thin line where the white sand meets the blue water, massive splashes erupt at random. Big fish crashing the surface as they chase the fry. There's no way to predict where the next strike will be. On casting 180 degrees, pacing the shoreline in a frantic dance to keep up with the ever-shifting targets. I also began to wonder if the fly was the issue, so after trying larger patterns, I scaled down to smaller, more minimalistic version in subtle colors.